We're offering big savings right now on auto repairs and maintenance services at Packard Automotive. Spend $250 or more on any auto repair or maintenance services and get $40 off. Please call us for more details. Cannot be combined with any other offers. Please mention promo code WEB when scheduling your appointment. But hurry, this offer ends on February 28th. We are open Monday through Friday, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday hours vary, so please call ahead. Call us at 414-483-3631 for more details or to schedule an appointment today. Video proudly created by our marketing partner, Brand Love Builders, LLC. Visit their website for affordable marketing services.